Putting batteries in. Ethan's helping Grandma. Sarah got her favorite.
Thank you.
Got her fancy whisker that she wanted.
Yeah, that whisker is cool.
What is it, Ethan? Oh, is that Grandpa's? What did Grandpa get? What did Grandpa get? Help me. What is it? It's pretty PJs.
Oh.
Is it a shirt? I'll bet it's a pretty shirt.
Whoa, you got a tube. Cool.
Yeah, that looks like a fancy Wrangler shirt.
This looks like a fancy robe or pajamas. Not sure yet. They really went all out.
Man, oh man. Careful.
Oh wow, that's nice.
That's cute.
It is cute.
Oh yeah.
Very soft.
Yeah, you'll sparkle in that.
You see those?
I'll never get dressed.
I can.
William will come home from work at 5 o'clock and I'll still be in my robe. But my nails will be painted.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Color should I use?
Got to get the little choo-choo train. Battery up.
He's checking it out. Look cute. Look at that smile.
Oh,
He smiled at me really cute and I missed it.
Oh no.
From a picture.
what is it? Is Molly getting it? What's she doing? See the dog?
We're trying to nail polish is on.